So we start with this one. She's sucking in water, that's good. Today we're going to Kołobrzeg, which is the next harbor, and it's only 10 nautical miles away. And we need to fill some diesel in the morning. We need to bunker some fuel. And Cummins is already at the steering wheel, and we are making proudly. How much do we make? 6.3 knots. And the engines are around 900 RPM, so it's a piece of cake, and everything works fine. So fingers crossed. So now I show you how it works to fill up a boat. Here we have more or less like a normal petrol station. We're paying 5 zloty 60 per liter, which is roughly €1.20 or I don't know, $1 something 30. And in my boat it's a bit tricky because the fuel intake is a little bit stupid, as you can see here, directly in the door frame, and it's written water on it, so that's not really how it meant to be. And there is a ventilation of the tank, which is over there, this white little gooseneck, and when you fill up too fast, the petrol pumps back and goes out of this ventilation. So that's always good to have a bucket there, because otherwise you get a big fine if you spill diesel or petrol in the harbor. And so now we are filling on a very slow rate, I think maybe 10 liters a minute or so, and we're going to fill up to 600 liters so that we have enough fuel to go to Władysławowo and also to Gdańsk, because I think in Władysławowo you don't have a petrol station. So it's always good to have in mind how much fuel you need for your trip, because there's no refilling on the sea, obviously. So we filled up the tank roughly 600 liters, which is a little bit strange when you fill up a tank and you put 600 liters inside. I mean, when you're used to cars, it's just awkward to pay 3,000 zlotys or 750 euros for one filling. And it lasts only for 20 hours. That's funny. But anyway, so now we are heading off the harbor, and I want to give you a daylight view. They have quite a big shipping fleet, as you can see here. Fancy boats and lots of Coast Guard, Polish border patrol, and some tourist trips. And I'll show you from the other side this magnificent molo. But even here in Kołobrzeg, end of August, the season is more or less over and you don't see so many tourists anymore. Some restaurants were already closed up. And I don't think that all these crazy tourist boats, the Vikings and the Pirates and everything, are not going to drive out today. There we have the light tower of Kołobrzeg. And now we're heading out to the Baltic Sea. And we try to go to Władysławowo. How are you, Tomek?
It's a great day, Olivier.
It's a great day. We will make it.
We will make it.
We will make it.